Hi everyone, my name is Ainun Hafidah. I'm from Darukala Junior High School. I will explain how to make hot tea using English. The ingredients: tea bag, hot water, sugar, spoon, and glass. Let's just practice how to make hot tea. First, put some hot water into a glass. Then, put the tea bag inside the hot water. Wait until the water turns brown. Put some sugar based on how you like it. Mix the tea until the sugar dissolves. You can enjoy the tea with cookies or other snack.